This is a heater, also works on kerosene, and this one kind of a little different. So it has instruction here how to operate from 1 to 4. Also it says here never use any like other than CSA standard, the for fuel, camping fuel. So this one, same thing. You need to use. I have this kerosene. You can use this one, or I don't know. Maybe this will work for sure because that's clear kerosene. Or any brands also it can work too. So open this. First, you need to remove this one. So that's how it works, like that. This cover, okay. So in here, this is just metal. Once you fill up, right now there is no kerosene. I'll just add a little bit. So just a little bit. That should be okay. Instruction says upside down, so turn it this way, upside, about 10 to 5 or 10 seconds. So let's says repeat if it's necessary. That's just to start to fire up, and it's been about 10 minutes. Now let's flip it this way. So you can see sometimes a little bit like leaked in here, and we can repeat if it's necessary. So let's give it a try. Maybe we should repeat. Flip it upside down again. So I flip it upside down again for about 20 seconds or so. You can see there's a leak here. This one is ready to you can see now. So this one takes time actually to set everything, but there's black smoke. You need to put this one outside. It's important to leave this one outside because of the black smoke. You can see once you put it like that, it'll basically I'll turn it off. So that's cap on and off basically. So I'll do this one outside and start it again. Yeah, you can see terrible black smoke, so that's no good. So it's been about maybe like just 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Still black smoke coming, and it's not ready yet. So I'll give it a try. I'll wait until maybe 5-10 minutes or so, and once it's ready, I'll put it back again and show you how it looks like after. So here you can see as soon as I put the cup inside like that, so I can feel the heat. I think it's ready. I can feel the heat, even though if I want to light it up. See? So let's put it inside and see. So this one is already on. I can feel the heat, very warm. But the thing is, you can to shut it down, you need to put this cover back in here. So I can feel the heat very warm in here, and just smells a little bit gas in. If I try to light it up, yeah. So let's you can see the heat I was talking about. So the heat kind of very constant warm, and here's I grabbed some paper, and so you can see. So you see that. Yeah, so that's what heat is causing. Now see, as soon as you put this one in, now it's shut down. That's it. It'll take just a few seconds to shut it off. To start it again, same thing, lift this one up like that, and take it out, flip it upside down. Yeah, it's already almost off. So I'll put this one back in. Okay, this one has to be closed, and now it's off. To start it again, flip it upside down. I can't flip it upside down because it's still hot, and take it outside, fire it up, wait like a minute or so until the black smoke's gone, and it's ready to use. You can see kind of around here like small heat around it. That means it's ready to use.